Okay, so I have one question. How was your today? How was your today? If you want to say something, please raise your hand. Oh my gosh! Who is it? 가온투! 안녕!
네, 안녕하세요.
안녕! How was your today?
Today was so busy because we practiced dance.
Dance! So for K-pop dance?
Cultural dance.
Good job. You're already dancing king. Okay, so another person too. How was your today? Oh! 가온 one student. Hi. 안녕. I cannot listen to your voice. Can you say something? Oh, hi. Oh my gosh, she is my student. Hi. 안녕.
안녕.
Okay, so how was your today?
Yeah, it was good. So
Because
it was weekend. So yeah, it was very good. And I had to attend the session today.
oh, thank you so much. So now again, I want to say hello everyone. Okay, I'm Sola, the owner of Time Machine. Time Machine. Do you know the time machine? We could trip to an area where you want to go by time machine. Especially, I can see myself in the past. Sola's time machine shop opened today. Yoo-hoo! You are looking forward to it, right? Yeah, if you agree, please circle your hand over your head. Oh my gosh, so many! Okay, thank you. I wonder who's going to be the first guest. Oh?
Is anyone there?
Oh my gosh, who is it? Come on in!
Hello! Oh, my name is Kelly. I was passing by here and I saw a sign called Time Machine Shop. It's amazing.
Yeah, welcome, welcome. Where did you want to go?
Maybe I want to go back to the past in Korea.
The past of Korea?
Yes, I wonder what kind of life I lived in the past in Korea.
Yeah, I see. I was just about to go on a trip there, so shall we go together?
Yes?
Okay, so make a test it. Okay, so then put on your glasses.
Okay. Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Then let's go!
Wow, where am I?
This is the gyeongbokgoong palace. Maybe we used to be a princess.
It's really interesting.
What's the drum?
Oh, I'm reminded of my memories. The drum was made to control the traffic. At 10 p.m., they hit 28 times to restrict areas. At 4 a.m., they hit 32 times for releasing curfews.
Wow, it's amazing that they will be controlled by drum. 1, 2. 1, 2. I was also princess. I am a beautiful princess, a cute princess, and a lovely princess.
Me too. I was a princess too.
Okay, so I would have lived in the palace with a beautiful prince, wouldn't I? No? Okay. It's like Snow White.
Sola, I want to go somewhere else.
Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
This is Kumjangdan. Yes, Kumjangdan is the place where the king is involved in politics with outside people. Sola, do you see the blank stones over there? The blank stones show that it was class society at the time.
Oh, class society?
Yes, it is.
Okay, the place we just went to was 근정전.
Yes, Kumjangdan. What would it have been like to live in a class society?
I'm a princess, so it's okay. Okay, so to explain the class, it is depend on a social status. Depending on it, not only the color of the clothes, but also the size of the house was the different.
Is that really true?
Oh, really?
Yes.
So, let's look around again.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So, let's go! Yeah, this is called 사정전.
Sola, there is something here.
This is sundial. It was before electricity generated, so we used the sun to figure out what time it was. What? I can't believe I saw the sundial.
Yes, Sola, do you like sundial?
Yes, I love it. The sundial varies from season to season, but it was the greatest invention of the time.
Then who made it?
I'd like to say it's me, Sola. But
yes.
it was created by 장영실, the greatest scientist of his time.
Wow, I think it's good to study science.
Yeah, that's right. Then, shall we go to the next place?
Sola, I will do it this time.
So what?
Let's look around another place. Sola, are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
ready.
Then
Let's go!
Bombastic, I like a bomb, bomb, bomb. Bombastic, I like a bombastic, bombastic, je veux ton bombastic, bombastic, I like a bombastic, bombastic, je veux ton bomb, bomb, bomb.
Oh my god, Sola, why are we dancing?
I'm out of breath.
What happened? Why did I dance?
Okay, Kelly, calm down. The place we just went to is called 경회루.
경회루?
Yeah, 경회루 was place where princess played, but it was also a place where the music of that time was played. I guess that's why we danced it
Dancing.
in the past without even realizing it, right?
Yes. Oh, it wasn't like me. I'm Korean. I'm not comedian.
Oh, okay. What's the point of that? As long as we are having fun, everyone, if you get vaccinated and come to Korea, let's wear hanbok and go to gyeongbokgoong palace together, okay?
Okay, what's going on? I just came to the shop, but I feel doing KONNECT.
Oh, that's what it is. Everyone, did you enjoy?
If you enjoy it, put your hands up and make a circle like this.
Make a circle. Oh my god, I'm so happy to see so many cool.
Okay. So everyone, then we will meet next time, right?
Yeah, of course. We will go somewhere other than gyeongbokgoong Palace. So please look forward to it. We will teach you various cultures and places to go. So don't miss it.
Okay, everyone, see you next time. Bye bye.